Guys, it's so great to be back. Hopefully you all remember who I am. If you don't, my name is Miles. Welcome to Da Family, where we make every single day the absolute greatest day that we can. So thank you so much for joining me back. I had a very unexpected long absence. I just really had to get into the routine of school, work, figure out all my schedules, and see where I can make everything work the best. I think I have everything planned out pretty well, and well, hopefully I'm going to start introducing my channel back into it and try uploading as much as I can. What I have been up to lately, let's see. Well, I have gotten a couple of new toys. I got a couple of GoPro cameras, like actual GoPro cameras. So I have plenty of footage with these on the motorcycles. I have plenty of different angles, from Austin's bike to the bike I ride, and I have so much footage. So there's going to be a portion of this vlog that is going to be hopefully a good montage of a lot of what I have captured on these. I'm going to try to explain to you guys in this video a little bit of what has happened, and well, it's getting nicer out what we are going to be doing. If you can tell from the last time that I have been out here, it is changing so much, and well, I'm dealing with this noise all the time. There's constant construction out here, building so many houses, it's absolutely insane. But I'm going to take you guys into a little bit of a montage of everything that's been happening. Let's go.
For a lover, someone who could bring me back to life. My heart ignited when I saw you. Before we met, I knew that sparks would fly. We talk, when we kiss, when we hold each other. Are you crazy like me? I'm mad about you. When your fingers intertwine, do you feel magic too? Yes, you're my hero.
Memory's full on that one, we're good.
Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was the last couple weeks. So I'm just catching back up. Right now I'm getting on the motorcycle to go meet Austin at the Mazda dealership. I think I'll describe or explain a little bit more of why we're going to the Mazda dealership and what's happening once I get there, and he's actually there to help me explain it. So we're gonna head there right now, and well, I'm gonna do a time lapse of getting there, so enjoy this.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true. My favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be.
So yes, we are here at Mazda dealership, and he walked away for just a second to figure out where to put his car. What? Okay. So, I don't know if he knows, I don't think he knows anything that's wrong with it, but we are going to get it off the trailer and set it into one of these spots over here, and then, well, let the dealership take care of it.
All I want is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
Okay, so if you guys didn't hear what we just got done talking about, apparently what has happened to his car is the engine is done. And he was saying that this is a problem with a lot of rotary motors that have over 40,000 miles. To me, that just sounds stupid, and there should be an easy fix for that, I would think. So Austin has a major decision to make with this vehicle, what he wants to do, if he's gonna get a new vehicle or not, and well, that'll just be things to come in the future. He's gonna ride his bike back to my house, and I'm gonna take the truck, and then well, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the end of it, but we'll get there in just a second. So I am finally ending the night home and ready to get everything else done that I still need to get done. I'm gonna call the video here, guys. Thank you so much for returning to my channel and joining me once again to help me make this movement just a little bit stronger. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. I love reading everything you guys have to say. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, hit it. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. I'm out.